Football lovers, sanibonani. Welcome to PK Sports. Igama lami Nkosi. Thembe ukuthi nikahle niyaphila. Please help me grow this channel by liking and subscribing to the channel. Ngawenza omkhulu umehluko. Danko. Yeah. Inhlanhla bengakithi as I did mention video while I was doing a post analysis about the match of Chiefs and Al Masry. Ukudaba esenhlanhleni. You see that penalty ushukuthi inkosi beyibheke ngakithi because all the conditions for a penalty were not there so that Kaizer Chiefs can be given that penalty. Angifuni isiphikisane ngento engekho. Buka iscreen la, you can see the law ukuthi uthini ukuthi mele kube njani if and penalties are awarded, especially if a player handles the ball with the hand inside the 18 area. So for that defender of Al Masry, it was unfortunate ukuthi uzithole nje akuleya situation, but that wasn't a penalty. Kaizer Chiefs ba benefited and akukho kungakupheka lokho. I have 3 videos that I want you ukuthi wabheke and you'll spot the difference. Kuthi kwenzakaleni. Kuthi why kulawa i2 the penalties were not given. You'll go back and read the law and then you'll tell me ukuthi kahle this what should happen in order for a referee to call for a penalty spot. Number 1 video na nayibona screenini. It's a video of Uzitha Kunika, the same match of Al Masry versus Kaizer Chiefs. And to their argument, it would be like, if that was a penalty, why this one is it not a penalty? Because it's the same incident. But you can see with Uzitha Kunika here, when he was trying to mark, his hands were in a natural position. He didn't stretch his hand to make the body unnaturally big. So here, that's why the referee was correctly positioned. He saw with no. Kahle there was no intention okubamba handball because nezandla zakhe zisemva kwakhe. So there's no way a penalty was going to be awarded to Al Masry. But kuloko kwe Chiefs kuvele kwaba yenye indlela. But niya understand ukuthi ushawe yini nompempe laphana. Because Kaizer Chiefs ivele yamemeza yalibiza and no lineman wabo naye uvele wathi yilo. Because why? Nayi video yakhe ke le defender le Al Masry. Here you can see ukuthi the hands were in a natural position. The hands were close to the body. So there was no hand that was stretched making the body unnaturally big. So here ureferee ushawe in day 1. The defender was leaning towards the direction of the ball. Into emkhawa ileyo. He thought ukuthi vele bekalibamba le ball. But mawuthi uyabheka ukuthi no, there's no way ukuthi it was a penalty because the hands are in a natural position. Asisasekanga lesi. As he did mention Victor Hlongwane nguyo laphana Sports Night Amplified with Andile ku Metro FM ledlala ngo6 before azoveza video ku Soccer Zone ukuthi no, that was an uncalled for decision. Leya beye wrong, but Kaizer Chiefs akusenani mele benze sure ukuthi bawina against iZamalek because if they don't izinene ukufaka i-complaint lezi eze Al Masry because you know how North African countries teams operate abadlali when it comes to that. So bazofuna cause kuyogcina sekuyofakwa naleya yeZamalek ukuthi uMiguel wathi uphushiwe lapha na thintiwe. So into esingazifuni lezo. But here this wasn't supposed to be given as a penalty. Asisasekanga. Let's look at the cross. Cross iyafana ke nekakunika. This was the first leg of CAF Confederation, the first game in that group where Kaizer Chiefs was hosted by Al Masry as Suez Stadium. You can see to cross la, the hands were in a natural position. He wasn't trying to stretch a hand so that he makes his body unnaturally big. That's why the referee didn't give it, because there was no way it was going to be a penalty, because you can even see he was trying by all means to avoid ukubamba handball. When the hands are behind you, there's no way the ref is going to give you a penalty. So ayimkhahlelile leya. La sisasekile straight. Sisasekile. Let's discuss about Kaizer Chiefs striking department. You see, I like what the team is doing, especially with Flavio Silva. It's one thing I've been stressing time and again. You see, if you can give feed to the strikers, you won't die of hunger, because you know very well we will profit. If we can play as a unit, play as a team, we can score many goals. Because in some games you can see everyone wants to go for glory, and that is the thing that derails Kaizer Chiefs from scoring as many as possible goals in a single match, because umuntu nomuntu ufuna spotlight. But the moment they will understand a goal is a goal, it doesn't matter a scorer, striker, or a midfield or the attacking midfield, as long the team gets to benefit and they win. That's what you see from Manchester City. When Haaland is in a good scoring opportunity, they don't deprive him that opportunity to score. Yes, to some players, now but they are trying by all means to save their contracts and naturally, so they will try by all means to impress, because Ibolala Manje is played with stats. But we all know the stats don't reveal. But even if you didn't score, an assist counts for something. So what I like about what the team did in the past 2 games, giving Da Silva the opportunity to shama penalty, because they know as a striker it is important to score, because if you score, your confidence increases. So it simply means you will try by all means wathola ama goals and search for goals. But the moment kuzothiwa penalty, uzwe i-defender lithi lo shy, just know hayi akumnandanga, not unless iyaplana the first penalty kicker kuba lo, the second kuba lo, or i-penalty kick taker etimini kuba i-captain. But what they are doing, I hope no Da Silva, if uzobe angene noMayo or uDuba or Igodaro, when an opportunity comes bathole penalty, he will pay it forward ukuthi lithathe mjida. Now at least uzobe confident, because that is what is important in a strike. Because we see Da Silva running a huge distance, trying to make himself visible, trying to get himself involved in a game, because he knows even if I don't score, at least I've done something that was helping the team. One thing Da Silva, he can score a lot of goals, because he knows how to position himself, he knows how to set himself up to receive amabhola. But if touch yakhe iyamphika akuyala, yazi kunokulaba amphase khona ubonga ukuthi yabo kuba utrebhile la, ngabe uhambile waya straight ebhalini, but imkhahlele first touch yakhe. So that's the thing engiyibona ukuthi makangalungisa lapho, trust me, uzokwazi ukuthi abe inkyambi, because he makes good runs, he has pace, he has the awareness, and he understands with okay, if ever I'm receiving the ball from this distance, how long will it take me to reach the 18 area? How must I position myself in order to avoid being caught offside? You see, those little details are what make it difficult ukuthi ungamboni umsebenzi awenzayo, because these are things you'd want to see from Ashley Dupree. Could have those instincts of a striker. If you are playing on the shoulders of the defenders, always time your runs, avoid being caught offside. Da Silva, he's showing he is the first choice striker of the Chiefs. Stats don't lie and performance doesn't lie either, because now uMayo it seems ngazathi akuhlangani next akukho kulungayo. I don't know what is the frustrations or it's how the team plays that doesn't suit him, but akuhlangani kuyala. But Da Silva, I think he has adjusted very well. That's why now sesimbona ukuthi okay, he's one of the players that fight for the badge. I love his fighting spirit. He encourages ama youngsters ukuthi ungalahli ithemba boy, keep on pushing. But that alone shows ukuthi what kind of a player we brought in Turan. Hoping ukuthi he will stay injury free and he won't lose sight of what is important, of helping the team. I love ukuthi he's selfless. If he sees ukuthi he can't score, he rather let it to his teammates so that they can score. Unfortunately, so far, ngabe uhleli ku 3 assists, but they've denied him that opportunity. But angaphela umoya naye azofika amathuba. So when Turena, I believe ukuthi Da Silva is the first choice striker now. Let's hope ukuthi maybe the coaches can change the system. Kube na 2 strikers. Kube na false 9 bese ke kube na reference point. I want to see him and Ugodaro and see ukuthi what are they capable of, because now it is crystal clear ukuthi akekho ngambenja Da Silva. Aboduba nabo they are trying ukuthi babuye ku starting 11, but Da Silva at negotiate. But one thing engamelanga efaka emqondweni ukuzitshela ukuthi already he owns a position. That doesn't work. You have to fight and prove yourself ukuthi you are worthy of being a starter in Turan. Itenchislet and Kanyiso Shinga, yeah, kusazoba nzima, but we hope ukuthi bazofika isikhathi sofika lapho bangena khona enkundleni and they show us ukuthi kahle kahle yini lena ama coach bebangayifuna ngabo. But so far let's focus ukuthi le game esoyidlala eSuez nge-14 February ayikhona abayidlala kabuhlungu ke iValentine, but I hope ukuthi Chiefs will make us proud, because it is important, because manganjalo into esoyihlekwa futhi sothina abantwini yovela ishama flashback of season 2020-2021 where we lost the league on the last day. That was painful to watch as a Kaizer Chiefs fan. But logo akuyobe kudlulela, hayi futhi basicuphe kanje. Thank you for making it this far on the video. Ngibonge nje for the support that you always show. Nama likes la enhlezi niwafaka mangicela, nokusubscribe kulabo abangasubscribanga. Ikhosi aliphelo.